So we have made it to Ferry Plaza Farmers Market. So they have dozens and dozens of different vendors out here. They are only open Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday and Thursday, it's from 10 to 5. And on Saturday, it is from 8 to 5. That's a little bit before 10, so not all the shops are open. But if you happen to want to go over to Oakland, they got a ferry here to do that. Actually comes off, like this is the ferry terminal, and it comes off and they got all the shops right in there for you. There's also the Golden Gate Ferry Terminal, which is right behind it. They have plenty of places to sit as well. And the Red Bay Coffee has tables out here in the back, so you can enjoy the scenery of the Bay Bridge as well. If you don't want to download the Clipper app, You want a paper ticket to get to Angel Island from here. It's $15.50 for an adult, $14 to get to Lake Spur, and $14 to get to Sausalito and Tiburon. If you're looking for the big bus hop on hop off tickets, they actually have some you can buy from a stand in here as well. If you want to see a statue, a huge statue of a naked woman, it's right across the street. And they say it's art. I say it's just another thing that makes San Francisco San Francisco. That completes our time here at the Farmers Market at the Ferry Plaza. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Also, if you're just in the general area and you're looking for a bathroom, they have one on each end of the terminal here. So it's a great resource. Not too many around San Francisco. But until next time, I'll see you next trip.